On the other news, indigenous peoples or IT students from Oriental Mindoro and Palawan attended the training in Coconut Value Edition, which aimed to enhance the knowledge and skills of the students when it comes to coconut processing that can help them to have an additional income. Joshua Sugay of Philippine Information Agency Oriental Mindoro has the details.
Around 30 indigenous peoples or IP students from various tribes in the provinces of Oriental Mindoro and Palawan recently benefited from the value addition of coconut training. The training was a collaborative effort of the Agricultural Training Institute, Mimaropa, Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, Department of Science and Technology, and Mary Help of Christian School. The initiative aimed to equip students with knowledge and skills in coconut processing to provide them with opportunities for additional income. The ATI Mimaropa funded the training with a total amount of 350,000 pesos as support for the participating students. TESDA led the hands-on sessions that focused on the preparation of buko juice, coco jam, and other coconut-based products to enhance the youth's entrepreneurial skills and provide them a chance to start their own small businesses.
We took that opportunity na sa entrepreneurship naman ng mga bata papasok yung paggagawa ng kanilang mga buko juice, coco jam, at saka yung buko pie. So sa kanila, pagdating nila at least pag mayroon na silang ganitong kaalaman, makakatulong sa kanila para gamitin ang kanilang resources.
One of the student beneficiaries, 18-year-old Enilyn Salvaron from San Teodoro and a member of the Iraya tribe, expressed her gratitude for the training she received.
Through programs that support the youth, particularly in the indigenous sector, they're given the additional opportunity to gain livelihood and additional knowledge that they can impart in their community. From the Philippine Information Agency Oriental Mindoro, Joshua Sugay for Balitang Pambansa.